In vector analysis, we are going to discuss an important theorem. If your R is a position vector xi plus yj plus zk and the modulus of R vector is R, that is, we know that the part, then we have to prove that del f of R is equal to d by dr f of R into R cap, that is f dash of R into R cap. So before going to the proof, we need to know some basic results. That is, R is a position vector xi plus yj plus zk. Then magnitude and the unit vector denoted by R and R cap, and R is the distance of the point xyz from the origin. Your R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and R vector is equal to R into R cap. From that relation, R cap is equal to R vector by R. Now the proof of the theorem. Consider the part R square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating this equation with respect to x. So R square becomes 2R and again R with respect to x. So dou R by dou x is equal to, we are going to differentiate the right hand side, that is x square with respect to x, it becomes 2x, and yz becomes 0. By further simplification, cancelling 2 on both sides and bringing R in the left hand side to the right hand side as a denominator part, will get dou R by dou x is equal to x by R. Similarly, differentiating partially with respect to y and z, we have dou R by dou y is equal to y by R, dou R by dou z is equal to z by R. Next, substitute these values in the given form. Consider the statement, that is del f of R, that is LHS of the statement. Del f of R is equal to, del is nothing but your gradient. The general form of the gradient is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou z into f of R. Taking f of R into this gradient, will get I into dou by dou x of f of R plus j into dou by dou y of f of R plus k vector into dou by dou z of f of R. Dou by dou x of f of R, that means you are going to differentiating your f of R with respect to x. Similarly, with respect to y and z. I vector into dou by dou x of f of R, that is differentiating f of R with respect to x, will becomes f dash of R. Again, we are going to differentiating R with respect to x, that is dou R by dou x. Similarly, plus j vector into f dash of R, dou R by dou y, plus k vector into f dash of R, dou R by dou z. And taking f dash of the common part, will get f dash of R into I into dou R by dou x plus j into dou R by dou y plus k into dou R by dou z. And by substituting dou R by dou x equal to x by R, dou R by dou y is equal to y by R, and dou R by dou z is equal to z by R in the next form, will get f dash of R into I into x by R plus j vector into y by R plus k vector into z by R. And taking denominator R as a common, the numerator is xi plus yj plus zk. We know that that is R vector. So f dash of R into R vector by R. We know that R vector by R is equal to R cap. So f dash of R into R cap. Therefore, del f of R is equal to f dash of R into R cap. The theorem is proved. Next, by using the above theorem, we are going to see some results. The first part is a given function f of R is equal to 1 by R. Then using the theorem, we are going to prove the part. We know that del f of R is equal to f dash of R into R cap. Here the given question is del 1 by R. That means f of R takes the value 1 by R. We are going to differentiate 1 by R. That means 1 by R is minus 1 by R square into R cap. We know that R cap is R vector by R. Just substitute it and we'll get minus R vector by R cube. The next part, f of R is equal to R power n. So del R power n is equal to differentiating R power n into R cap. So R power n is n into R power n minus 1 R cap. Again R cap can be written as R vector by R. By simplification, we'll get n into R power n minus 2 R vector. The third part is if f of R is equal to log R. Now I'm going to differentiate the log R. So log R is 1 by R into R cap. Again R cap is R vector by R, will get R vector by R square. The fourth part is given the reverse form, that is del f of R is equal to f 5 R cube R vector, then f dash of R is equal to 5 R power 4, because del f of R is f dash of R into R cap. The right hand side we are having 5 R cube R vector. R vector can be written as R into R cap. So we'll get 5 R power 4 R cap. So f dash of R takes the value 5 R power 4. We need to find f of R. That means we are going to integrate f dash of R. We'll get f of R. So 5 R power 4 by integration 5 into R power 5 divided by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel. We'll get R power 5. plus c is the integration constant. So these are the four results with the help of the above theorem. And the next one, the remark is given del 1 by r. So previous part we solved del 1 by r with the help of the theorem results. Here by using the definition of the gradient, that is del 1 by r, we know that the gradient is I into dou by dou x plus j into dou by dou y plus k into dou by dou s. The del is a gradient is operating on 1 by r, we'll get this. By differentiating with respect to y and z, we'll get the same results. So you can able to solve in either two ways, that is using the gradient formula or else with the help of the theorem results. The same problem del log r also you can able to solve it. And this is a part of your homework, you just try this. Grade sine of x square y will get these results.